you guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Patty. I'm about to make some macaroni and cheese, and I know it's not Thanksgiving, but I have a taste for some now, and I just want to show you the ingredients that I will be using. And I'm going to use the large elbow macaroni today. That's what Mama always used when she made hers when we were growing up as children. This is a 16-ounce box of large elbow macaroni. And I will be putting onion powder, garlic powder, salt, white pepper, and butter. And I will be grating cheese. And the cheese that I will be using, this is what I will use to grate my cheese. Medium cheddar. I will use all of the medium cheddar and half of the Colby Jack. Pet milk and a little bit of sour cream and some cream cheese. These are the ingredients that I will be using. And once it is done, I will come back, or as I go along, I will show you other parts of the process. I'm already boiling my water and I have salted it for the macaroni. So here it is, guys, and I will be baking it on 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes to see how that goes. If I need a little more time, I will do it. And I may beat up an egg to put in here, just one egg, but I'll come back and show you as we go along. Hey guys, here's the macaroni and cheese ready to go in the oven, and I have layered my cheese. I seasoned my mac and cheese really well, used some seasonal, a little bit of salt, white pepper, onion and garlic powder, about a heaping tablespoon of sour cream, heaping tablespoon of sour cream, heaping tablespoon of cream cheese, a small can of evaporated milk, and I beat one egg well and put it in a stick of pure unsalted butter. So, and the cheese I layered between the first layer and the top. And here it is. When it comes out of the oven, I will bring you back and show you the end result. Here's that delicious mac and cheese. Look at it. I didn't have Velveeta cheese, but I used Colby Jack and medium cheddar. So I know it is going to be good. We are going to let Tyler taste it. Okay. Oh, look at this. Y'all pardon my, look at this. Look how creamy it is. Wow. Let me look at that. Ooh, that looks so good. Come on, Tyler, taste it for us. And those large elbow macaroni, that's what your Gigi used to use when she was cooking a lot.
Looks delicious.
Okay, taste it, Tyler. It's hot right now, I know. Oh, but how does it taste?
It tastes delicious. I like it.
Yeah, I know. It's good and creamy. Look, y'all. Look at that. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe, like, follow. Don't forget to tap that notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. I will talk to you on the next exciting video. Bye now.